is a set of 6 insulated screwdrivers from Wera. The tools are dedicated for working with voltage up to 1 kV. The dual-component Kraftform handle assures great ergonomics. On the top, there are markings to help finding the right tool. The tip is made of high-quality steel with increased resistance to corrosion. The set contains 2 posi-drive and 4 slotted screwdrivers. The hexagonal shape of collar protects tools from rolling off the table. In the box, you also get a Wera Tool Rebel sticker. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME. You need it, we have it.